Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, hi, my name is Diana. You're very welcome to check out my channel, and if you end up liking it, go ahead and subscribe. But anyways, for sure, some of you are back to school. If you are in high school, middle school, college, I guess elementary, let me know how your first day of school went. I would like to know. But anyways, I am going to be doing some homecoming hairstyles with you. This doesn't have to be specifically for homecoming. These hairstyles can be for anything, for any occasion, any special event, for anything. It's not just, for homecoming. But anyways, let's get started with this video. I am gonna have to move you guys to the side. Okay, so I had to move you guys to the side a little bit because my mirror is like right here, like straight ahead right here. All right, so let's get started. So what I am going to be doing is, so if you want to have straight hair for homecoming, you can. This will be for the people that want to, have their hair straight for homecoming. Oh my gosh, I need a lot of hair clips because this hair does not stay. I always have like a whole bunch of hairs flying out, so I have to have a whole bunch of hair clips. So what I am going to do is get my straightener. The straightener that I have is the Infinity Pro by Conair. Oh yeah, don't forget your heat protectant. I already added to my hair, so that's why my hair is gonna look all oily once I start doing my hair. So I am going to be straightening my hair. Try to, because I can't straighten these little hairs here. Like, do you see these? Like, it's hard for me to straighten them because they're like so little. So I try to do my best to straighten them. Like, if you have really short hair and you need help with straightening your hair, have like a friend or have your mother or your sister help you, straighten your hair, because it is hard to know if your hair is nice and straight, especially if you have like wavy hair or curly hair. Like, you have to make sure that it's like straight. I just take like little slices and I just put my straightener and straighten it like that, and then and then you don't want it to go all the way like straight. You kind of want it to have like a little curve so it can look nice and natural. But it depends on you. If you don't like the curve, you don't have to do the curve. Also, you want to have a mirror. This mirror is just from my bathroom. I've been forgetting to buy a new mirror because my cat broke my other mirror last time. It was like probably months ago, and I still haven't gotten one. But anyways, you want to use a mirror and look at the back of your head to see like if everything is nice and straight, which to me it looks nice and straight. But just try to focus a lot on the back because it is important for the back side of your head to look nice and smooth, and you're always gonna be walking in front of someone, and so the people behind you are always gonna look at the back side of your head. So yeah, it's always important to check the back side of your head if everything is nice and good. Okay, now that my hair is all straight, now it's time to style it. Okay, so first what I am going to be doing is I am going to be making a parting. It doesn't matter which parting, it could be like a side parting or a middle parting. But let's start with the side parting. I'm gonna start with the side parting first and then I'll do the middle parting. So make sure you have a straight parting. If you don't, just keep working on it until you get a nice straight line on your side parting. It's important to make your parting nice and straight. It is straight enough. I got it as straight as possible. And so right here I am just going to part it like this. And then you're gonna get your favorite hairspray and just spray some hairspray onto the hair like this. And then make sure to just comb all the flyaways. Make sure there's no flyaways, no hair sticking out. And then you're just going to add a bobby pin there. Make sure to put another one for extra hold. What I like to do is make like a little X on my bobby pin. Like I like to put another one across so it can hold better. And then you're just gonna have the hair kind of cover the bobby pin. So just like that. And then same thing with the other side. You're going to do the same thing and you're just going to part it. You're gonna try to see where the parting's at. So the parting is literally right there. So I am going to part it the same way how I did it with the other side. Again, add a little hairspray. Not a little, but add a lot because you want your hair to last the whole day and night. So make sure you put a lot of hairspray. And then put a bobby pin right there like that. And then we're gonna put another one like that and make like a X type with your bobby pin and just let it go. And then you're just going to leave these out. If you need to, strain them if you want to, just so they can be a little more flat. And then you want to make sure to kind of spray down this part too. You just want to make it look all nice and smooth. Yeah, and there you go. You have like a nice little hair style. Okay, so another one is the middle parting, and you're about to see my gray hairs peek through because I have a lot of gray hairs on this side of my head. And no, that's not the reason why I put my hair to the side. The reason why my hair is to the side is because whenever they cut my hair, they kind of cut my hair to have it like in a side parting. So that's why I have it in a side parting, because if I put my hair this way, then it's kind of like a little uneven. I have shorter layers than on this side. I don't know if y'all can tell. You see? So again, we're going to be doing the same steps as we did with the first one. So we are just going to put our bobby pin right there. And then put another one right here. Make it like an X. And then we're gonna go off with the next one. And then and yeah, so you're going to style it a little bit, add some hairspray for that extra hold. Make sure all your baby hairs are hidden away. No baby hairs. I have baby hairs here, so gotta hide them away, which it's not gonna work out. But get some like gel or something that will, you know, actually like hold down. Yeah, this is the middle parting. Okay, this is gonna be the next one. Basically, this one is just putting like your whole hair back. You want to do like a little middle parting. Like that. Oh, my dandruff is coming out. I need to wash my hair. This is like 3 days without washing my hair. You want to stick a little bobby pin here. Just like that. I don't know if y'all can see the next part. Oh my gosh, the dog scared me. Just like that. And you kind of want to curve the hair a little to add some definition to your face. Yep, just like that. We're messing with my hair and now I have like dry, flaky hairspray. Okay, so this one is gonna be the last one. It's just very simple. I am going to grab some of the hair here, put this one to the back, and then with the straightener, you are just going to kind of curve it. Just like that. So it can add like a little wave effect, I guess you could say. And then with this piece, you just put it in the back of your ear, and then, you know, this is it. And then with this one, you don't need to add like a lot of hairspray. You could just add some on top of here just for, you know, the baby hairs. Okay, for the next one, I am going to be curling my hair. So yeah, I am gonna burn my hair again. A lot of heat, but I'm doing this for you guys. Okay, so make sure you have your heat protectant. I'm going to add more just in case. So I am just going to be trying to curl my hair because it's so short that it's gonna be hard to curl it. And then for this one, I suggest to get help, you know, for someone to curl your hair. Yeah, unless if you're a pro, then you don't need to. I am going to do is I am just going to be grabbing some hair and kind of just going like that. So it's gonna curl it a little bit, and I am just going to be kind of making these little hairs like have some type of wave because they're so short. I don't even know what to do with them. Oh yeah, I forgot, y'all are gonna be looking at my broken nails. So what I am going to be doing is just grab the hair and kind of curl it like that. I don't know if y'all can see that. Hopefully it didn't come out blurry in the video. So I'm going to be doing that all around. Well, just the bottom part. The top part, I am going to be doing it a little different. The bottom part is going to be the hardest. So I suggest to get help with this. As you can see, it's already getting easier because this hair is a bit more longer. I burned myself. This is why I suggest to get some help so you don't burn yourself. That's cute. Okay, I'm done curling my hair. First step that we're going to be doing is pin up the top hair. What we're going to be doing is kind of twist this hair, and we are going to put a bobby pin. Just like that. Kind of part it a little. Oh my gosh, there was a little fly. Pin it up. Just take this little section, and we're just going to be twisting it, and then we're going to pin it. Put a bobby pin. And now the last is this one, and this one we're just going to slightly put it right there and then pin it. It's gonna be like a messy type of hairstyle. Again, we are just going to twist it and pin it. This one we're just gonna let it be and then pin it so I can cover the kind of like the other bobby pins. With this last one, you just want to like kind of comb it out a little. You're just going to kind of twist it, and then we are just going to pin it right there. Okay, now what we're going to do is kind of loosen up the hair a little. Loosen it up right here. Hold on, because this little hairs are sticking up. So I am going to pin it. You just want to make this a little bit loose. Same thing with this one. You're just going to loosen it up. And then the back, you're just gonna poof it up a little. You can have someone fix it for you. I know mine looks kind of bad. And then you're gonna want to get like these type of bobby pins here, these, and just kind of insert them. It's a way so the hair doesn't really move a lot. And what you can do is just kind of take out some hair and just let it go like that. Then just make sure to go over it with some hairspray so it can just all stay together. This is like a messy type of hair. It's kind of like an updo but for short hair. Okay, next hairstyle would just be leaving your hair down. We're just going to recurl these, and then this one I am gonna curl it to like the root of my hair. Okay, so this one's gonna be a simple one, and it's just very, very simple. It's gonna be like the other one that I showed y'all, but this one's just gonna be curly. So this is gonna be the last hair style. Okay, and then we're going to pin this side here and put some hair over it, and then you just want to curl these little hairs here just like that, and then you just want to add some volume on this side with these curls, and then just add some hairspray. But anyways, this is the hair, final hair. Honestly, the back don't look that bad. But yeah, there's some other hairstyles you can do for homecoming or any other special occasion that you have. Hope you guys liked all the hairstyles that I did. Whether you like all of them or you like just one of them, it's whatever you end up liking. That's why I did like several of them. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell on the side so that way you can stay notified every time I post a new video. If you end up liking this video, give it a like. All of my social medias are down in the description box down below, so go ahead and follow my social medias. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.